Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to walk you through how to install your X3 rock sliders. Your first step is going to be to find the dimples and drill your holes. We found that our dimples were not aligned correctly with the hole behind the frame, so we had to drill a 3/8 of an inch higher than the dimple. You're going to use an 1.5 inch hole saw bit to drill these 3 holes here, 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 and here. Now you can take your rock slider and mock it up where it goes, and you can mark which rivets to drill at the bottom of the skid plate. Your next step is we're going to drill the rivets out from the bottom. After you've drilled out all your rivets, you can take a 3/8 drill bit and so you can put your rivet nuts in. Next, you'll need to take a screwdriver or something and wedge the plastic down so you can trim the hole out for the riv nut to pass through. The riv nut has to sit flush on the bottom of the frame rail. This is your rivet nut and rivet nut tool. You will need to insert your rivet nut into the bottom of the frame, making sure that the riv nut is flush with the frame. Then you will take your 9/16 wrench and your 10mm socket and tighten. Being careful not to over tighten because you will break the bolt off in the rivet nut. The next step is to install the mounting bracket tube. You'll take the bolt and stick through the skid plate drain hole, push the plastic piece back with your other hand, and put the bolt through the frame. Then install your mounting bracket tube. The 2 long ones go at the bottom, the short one goes at the top. On your upper hole on the inside, you will need to take a utility knife and cut out the hole on the back side so you can pass the bolt through the frame. Now that you have your mounting bracket tubes loosely installed, you can take your rock slider body and slide over them. Now that we have all our upper hardware loosely installed, we can go ahead and loosely install our bottom panhead bolts on the skid plate.